I ain't never need much, just my dog in the bed. Make it ice cold, blow some weed in the air, never need much. Found it in them back roads, always with my family by the river. Got my cash, don't ain't need much. Take a jump, why you scared? Only one life, boy, you better come prepared. Never need much, even if I want it.
Alright guys, so every Optic LED comes in 2 boxes. They're double packaged. Lots of styrofoam, as you can see. Team Optic, they treat their customers very well. There's a long box in the middle, but everyone's excited about. So you got not 1, not 2, 4 ratchet straps, 1 for each corner. Best way to hang the lights. You have your mount and hardware, which goes like this between the two and connects to your driver to mount it to the light. And this is the part everyone's raving about. You've got the independent spectrum control. So there's 2,792 total LEDs on this fixture. So the first one controls the 3500K light and the blues, and the second controls the 3000K and the infrared and the UV. That's the LM301H diodes and the LH351H for the deep reds and royal blues. You've got your cable that plugs this into the wall, and the port that connects your driver to the master controller. And we've got that right here. Now we just got to get it set up. Alright, so now that we've got the brackets mounted to the driver, we're halfway done. So we're going to safely put this off to the side on some styrofoam and take our 4 ratchet straps and get them into the tent. Hey guys, can we just take a minute and appreciate how beautiful this 2,792 Samsung LM301H diodes are? And don't get me started on the bloom enhancers, the reds and the blues, you know, the LH351H. The efficacy is ridiculous. And don't even get me started. Build quality, look at those brackets. Sheesh. We also have the 120-degree optic lenses. And that's on the UV, the infrared, the blues, the reds. Oh, what a beautiful sight those are. And that really makes them pop and adds to the efficiency. Beautiful design.
So working 9 to 5, boy, I do it with an attitude, ain't need much. I ain't never need much, and never need much. No, I ain't never need much. Mama wanted a love song, hope this one be working for you. Know you ain't with that foul stuff, so I keep it clean with no cursing for you. Listen clear, cause you know the best about how to live, about what to stress. Even when I was living dirty, I love you son, clean up your mess. Ain't about what you want, it's about what you down to bleed for. Blood, sweat, and tears busting ass, and you sleep, you grit your teeth for it. For my seeds, I can't do no less. In the eyes, I'm gonna be the best. So even if you ain't ride with me, at the end, I'm still famous. I ain't never need much, just my dog in the bed. Make it ice cold, blow some weed in the air, never need much. Found it in them back roads, always with my family by the river. Got my cash, don't ain't need much. Take a jump, why you scared? Only one life, boy, you better come prepared. Never need much, even if I wanted to. Working 9 to 5, boy, I do it with an attitude, ain't need.
Alright guys, we got your first spectrum. This is the 3500 Kelvin and the royal blues. And the second spectrum is the 3000 Kelvin with the deep reds and the infrared, UV, independent. And man, this thing pumps.